Hello everyone. Want to read a 3x faster, remember more, and study less. In this video, I will show you how to combine speed reading, memory techniques, and active recall. So, space repetition into one powerful system. Brief into your experience on why this matters. What we will get in 20 minutes. So, but the myth, comprehension is more than speed. You want both. Techniques are sub-occasional control means say words in your headless. Pointer method means use finger pencil to guide the eyes. And checking read phrases, not words. Previewing and skipping before deep reading. The tools we have to use use the apps like Speech and Accelerate. Quick experience demonstrated reading a paragraph slowly versus using pointer method. So we'll talk about the now memory techniques. Our goal in this is teach the memorable ways to retain what to read. And in this key points are memory method of Loki. Loki means memory of palace. Turn into info into visual and place. Them in a mental space. Visualization. The brain remains images more than abstract info. Chunking means the breaking large info into a smaller and manageable bits. Associations. Link new info to something you already know. You can say in mini demo in this is memorize a grocery list using a memory palace, fun and practical. So we'll talk now about the active recall. In this active recall, our goal is teach the viewer to stop rereading and start retrying. So in this has the key points are the definitions. So testing yourself rather than reviving notes and why it works. Build retrial strengths methods. Use flashcards. For example, use the Anki and Vigilance. Close the book and summarize the what you read. Just read and create your own question before reading the chapter. Example: after reading the passage, write down three questions and answer them from memory. And we'll talk now about the space repetition. The space repetition goals is so how to time divide for maximum retention. In these key points are what it is, space revives over the increased intervals, the forgetting curve, and how space repetition beats it. Tools we have to use in this is Anki, the powerful free SRS tool, RAM Note or Super Memo. Example schedule day 1 learn, day 2, day 4, day 7, day 15, day 30. 7 has to be starting and the curve will be going down at the time. So we have to again have to be read at day 2 and the curve will be go again down at the day 4. You have to read and day 7 again curve will be go down after the day 4. You have to read and the again day 7. So in between 8 days again curve will be go down in the day 15. It will be normally in between every half of the days will be go curve will down. So have to read again. Example day 1, 2, day 4, 7, 15, and 30. So combining all four into study workflow, in simple workflow is speed read chapters at least as 15 minutes. Take a notes using memory techniques, mind maps, and images. So you have to take the quiz yourself immediately for as a active recall. It will be help much faster than and the passive recall. And feed notes into Anki or space preparation systems. Revive with speed intervals using the flashcards or practice tests. And final tips to call to action to recall all four techniques briefly. Make a CTA. Combine with method you are all tried today. Download my free cheat sheet in the description. Like and subscribe for more modern learning strategies. Thank you for so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.